Hey Glow Squad, and welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome. So today I'm going to be showing you guys my attempt at reusing some press-on nails that I've already worn before. Now, I have had these nails sitting in my room for about a year now. I actually wore them last year at my friend's wedding, but I didn't really apply them properly. I was kind of rushing to apply them, so they didn't stay on as long as I wanted to, but I thought they were so cute and I really loved the design of them. So I wanted to see if maybe I could repurpose them, try it again. Now here, I'm just showing you the nails that were saved, very poorly, might I add, but I will get close up on so you can see that some of them still have like acrylic on it, on the back of some of them. And so I'm just going to go through and figure out which ones fit on my fingers or look the best, which ones are still usable, and go on from there. Okay, so now that I have picked out the ones that I'm going to use from the old pile, I'm just going to go through the unused ones and fill in the gaps for the missing fingers that I need. So I do have 2 videos detailing how I prep and apply my press-ons, and they will be listed in the top right corner of this video if you want to check those out. But right now, I am just taking my $10 Walmart drill, okay girl, and we're getting off any excess acrylic from the old nails, as well as putting in some ridges and texture on my new nails so that they properly adhere when I apply them. And of course, my stinky butt had to make an appearance. He said he missed y'all. And sis, don't be like me pouring your acrylic liquid over your painted surfaces, cause it just don't be working out. And I don't know why I thought my little nightstand was just gonna survive, but now I got a little missing paint spot from where all the acrylic liquid fell. So be better than me, sis. Be better than me. Now y'all already know the tea. All the products used will be listed in the description box below. But tell me, what brand of press-ons do y'all like to use? Let me know in the comment section below. If you liked this video and thought it was helpful, then give it a thumbs up. Or if you didn't, give it a thumbs down and let me know why in the comments. Until next time, G Squad out.